So let me get this straight. You can text commands to this so-called assistant, and it just knows what to do?
Yes, that's correct. For example, if you need to add a customer, just text it something like, "Hey, can you add a new customer for me? His name is James Reed and his phone number is 540-793-0955. And the job is done. Afterwards, you'll get a confirmation text from your assistant letting you know it completed your action.
Whoa, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, but it doesn't stop there. This assistant is made to help your whole team stay connected. Everyone on your team will have their own assistant, which they can text to help them stay ahead.
Well, I've never heard of anything you can just text. How does it work? Is there someone that reads these text messages and does my work for me?
Not exactly. Hybrid Spectra has some very powerful software that can understand your intentions in your messages. They have created an entire program to work alongside this software, which is what gives it abilities to add customers, add vehicles, get vehicle information, and much more.
That sounds like it would save me a lot of time. That would make it easy for me to get vehicle information out on the lot quickly when I'm with a customer without having to pull up the website and spend 5 minutes looking for the vehicle. And that means I could also save their info super easily by just texting my assistant without having to pull up my CRM and do everything manually on the spot.
Yep. And when you add that customer through your assistant can be configured to notify your managers, so they are kept in the loop with what's going on. And if you include in your text something like, "We will be taking the 2023 Ford Explorer on a test drive as well," your assistant can mark you as busy on a test drive. So in case anyone in your dealership needed to know what you were doing or where you were, that info would be stored in the cloud and anyone's assistant on your team would be able to inform them on your current status.